Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready: a compatible OS, GPU drivers, and the latest battery Melon build. Once done, install and sign in. You need a verified account to access advanced features. Next, create a project folder and pick the runtime and GPU profile so performance matches your workload. Make sure to enable optional 2FA for security. This first effort prevents configuration mismatches later and gets you into the interface immediately, where you'll start building your scene or model. You now import assets or add your code, specifying an entry file and declaring dependencies so the environment can resolve packages. Then configure memory, concurrency, and experiment parameters to match dataset size and batch needs. This tuning improves speed and stability. Once configured, use a preset as a baseline and save the configuration to avoid rework. Run an initial test to validate that imports load and that the runtime executes. If it fails, logs will show which dependency or resource is misconfigured. You finish by running a full session, monitoring logs and profiling performance to ensure throughput meets expectations. Once complete, export results, snapshots, and the exact configuration file so others can reproduce your run. If something goes wrong, use one key troubleshooting tactic. Inspect the runtime logs for the first error, confirm dependency versions and GPU allocation, then rerun with increased logging. This pinpoints mismatches quickly. Finally, iterate configuration changes and retest until behavior stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.